Hello, thank you for tuning again once more. This is Gabriel once more from Ngate Group. So today we are going to be looking at the structure of HTML. In our previous video, we spoke about a basic example, a simple example of an HTML document. So today let's look at the structure. So on the HTML document, we have at the beginning we have the tag name, then we have the contents at the middle, then we have the closing tag name. The tag or the start tag opens the element, then we have the content, that is the text or the other data within the element, then we have the end tag that closes the element. We have, for example, this is a paragraph where you have the open tag, which is the P, that stands for paragraphs, then we have the closing with a forward slash. Let me show you here. Once you enter your document, you'll notice that we have the HTML, which is at the beginning opening tag HTML, then we have the closing tag here, which is the also forward slash HTML. Same thing with the head tag, where we have the open and the close tag. If you look at the body, it's same thing. Now, when you go forward, or when you type in at the middle of the body, here you have say P, you close it, then you have the open and the close. You can type in anything here. This is my first paragraph. When you go and you refresh your page, you see this is it. This is my first paragraph. So whatever thing that you insert or input at this section or the content part is what is going to appear. If you put it in lowercase, it's going to appear in lowercase. Uppercase is going to appear in uppercase. You are the one to define it at this when coding. So let's look at the types of HTML elements. We have the block level elements. So these elements takes up the full width of their container by default and start on a new line. Let's look at some of the block levels element. We have the def, the paragraph, the H1, which is from H1 to H6. They have the section, articles, footers, headers. We are going to see this as we unfold during this course. So let's look at the first, which is the H1 element. We're simply going to copy this. You can copy it, then paste, so I can catch up with time to make the video a little bit shorter. Once you paste, you have this is a heading. You save, you go to our browser, you say this is a heading. You see that this heading, which is H1, is a bit smaller. We are going to treat this one also as when we are looking or when talking on working on headings. If you just simply, is from H1 to H6. Let's see, this is H1, so you have this is H2. You have to open and close H2, H3. Make sure you open, then you close it as well. We have H4. We have H5. Then we have H6. So as we save and then we'll go and refresh our browser, you see this is how it appears. So it is from H1, which is this is a heading. You see as you go down, it reduces in size. That is how you can easily structure the elements or the different headings in your HTML document or in your on your web page. Thank you very much for watching. We are going to continue on our next. This is a part 2 to make this video. The aim is to make the video to be very short so that it's easy for us to assimilate whatsoever is going to be taught during the session. Thank you, and see you in our next video.